Hello again guys. It's been a long time, 6 years. A long time's passed since I last uploaded a video and I said I'd see you next week. I'm sorry about that. I've got a family, bought a house, got married, all that jazz. So time's of the essence at the moment. So these videos going forward are going to be a little bit different. I can't get a quiet house to do any voiceovers or anything like that. So we're going to have to go a little bit more basic. But hopefully you enjoy the videos coming back and there'll be more recipes to come. So just be a bit patient. Hopefully I'll try and get out a video a week. But obviously got a young family and we'll see what happens. But it's good to be back.